Hello and welcome all pharma enthusiasts on this popular pharma learning channel. In today's video we are going to learn on various types of variations in European countries. So first one is do and tell. As the name indicate, these are minor variations and the applicant or the HA holder has to submit these variations. These type of variations are mainly in administrative in nature. So in do and tell there are two types, type 1A and 1A-IN. In case of type 1A variations, the applicant has to implement the change. However, the change need not be informed to the agency immediately, and the applicant can do it within a year of implementation of the change. Whereas in case of type 1A-IN, the applicant has to inform to the agency of the change within 14 days of its implementation. So just to give an example, the change in batch size within the 10x of the pilot scale batch size is considered as do and tell variation, and it is categorized as type 1A variation. So you can increase the batch size up to 10-fold without informing immediately to the regulatory agency. The second type of variation, again these are minor variations. These are called tell and do variation. So as name indicate, the applicant must make the submission with all supporting data and then await for the agency's feedback before implementing the change. So the timeline for the such type of change is usually fixed by agencies up to 30 days. So the approval of type 1B variation should be approved in 30 days. However, usually if there are questions raised on the submission, such variations are usually approved within 2 to 3 months. And just to take the example of batch size increase, again if you increase the batch size about 10x fold of your pilot scale batch size, it will be called type 1B variation. The third one is tell, wait and do. So these are major type of variations, also called type 2 variations. So since it is a major variation, the timeline for approval of this variation is longer. Agency consider it this change to impact safety and efficacy of drug product, and therefore they require a detailed investigation or review of the changes and the data submitted. And just being major change, the data requirement would also be more in case of type 2 variations. The approval time for type 2 variations is usually up to 6 months, and the batch size increase in case of modified release dosage form are considered as type 2 variation. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much. Happy learning.